Last May, we went here at Yoki's farm in Mendez, Cavite. We've been planning to visit this farm since start of the year and also last March, but whenever we try to, pangit yung weather. Minsan maulan, minsan makulimlim, kaya ayaw na lang namin i-risk. But luckily today, March 31, we are blessed with good weather. Mr. Sun is out for my husband's birthday. We availed the animal encounter package for 900 pesos for adults. Kids below 3 feet are free, and we got our tour guide for 150 pesos. I will post the rates and packages at the end of the video. Recommended yung tour guide kasi aside from guiding us sa mga pupuntahan, they also give trivias and information about the animals. Para kaming nasa field trip. Mas okay rin talaga na may tour guide kasi organized yung entry and exit per area. Hindi kami nagsisiksikan ng ibang guests and we get to have our own time with the animals. Okay, so I will just let you watch the whole trip.
Smile! Pinagbabantaan ka niya, huwag ka daw kay kilos ng masama.
Pangalan niya?
So for requested kakatubo.
Kakatubo.
Wow, birdo.
Di ba po sa ano sila? Malalamig?
Actually ma'am, South America sila. Ito pong nasa dito is Alaska Malam.
Po, sino siya?
Ito po, si Casper.
Ah, siya si Cass.
Si Haji. Yung pala.
Hello!